Hi, welcome back to Florida Keys and Key West Homes with Angie Will. I'm Angie Will, and today we are at 123 Venetian Way here in Sugarloaf Shores, about 15 minutes from Key West. So this property is extremely special to me. I have been watching the entire renovation unfold for the last year. And it is finally done, and it is the most gorgeous dry lot I believe there is available on the market in the Lower Keys. By dry lot, I mean a non-boating property. So for those of you who might not be interested in boating and really just find the water and all of that to be a bit of a hassle, and you have children and are worried about the canal or the ocean and all the waterways, this is really ideal. There's a tremendous amount of parking throughout. You can see all of the pavers. More pavers were added over time. There's obviously a carport here that could fit 3 sizable vehicles. Additionally, this lot is a 12,000 square foot lot, so about a 1/4 acre, which is awesome. I mean, we don't really get this kind of land here in the Keys, so anytime you can, it's something to behold. If you just look around, you can kind of marvel at all this green space. The current owner has a landscape architect and landscaping design firm, and he put a lot of thought and care into the plantings here and the way it would all really just unfold to create an atmosphere for anyone who would adore this place. Follow me, we'll walk around the premises here a bit. I mean, it really looks like a secret garden. I love it. It's so gorgeous. Sugarloaf Shores is what we consider one of the high-end neighborhoods in the Lower Keys. Being so close to Key West obviously has its value. But if you want some more space, you want more green space, you want larger lots, and you still want a neighborhood with water frontage, Sugarloaf Shores is ideal. Throughout the house, you have this great walking path here. We have additional storage throughout the home and the premises. We have this humongous enclosure over here. Right now, we just kind of keep some trash pails and extra construction materials in there. And we're back to the start. We've got extra pavers for anyone who might be interested. You can finish another patch of that. Sugarloaf Shores actually has this wonderful walking path that I believe is as long as 7 miles. I should double check that, but it's fantastic for, strolling around with your babies, your little ones, walking your dog, jogging, exercising, you name it. Rollerblading, roller skating, it's perfect. And just quickly, we have laundry underneath the home. So we have a designated laundry area, and we have an additional storage space behind me, which I won't get into today, but it's legal storage, so you could do anything you'd like with that space, as long as you don't use it as true living space. We have this wonderful lanai area. We have shiplap underneath. And we have an interior stairway entrance. And as soon as you come up here on the platform, you'll see this entire lanai space. Can you imagine maybe just dining al fresco out here or adding a hammock or two? All right, so here we are inside the fully renovated, reimagined 123 Venetian Way. From my experience, I feel that this home has been complete with some of the finest finishings. And again, lots of thought has went into this home. It was originally designed as a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, which now is a 3-bedroom, 2 bath with an ensuite for the master or for the primary section. There's this wide open living room, dining room area, all new light, everything has been redone. Down to every detail. We even have fresh crown molding throughout. We have this wonderful range hood, stainless steel appliances, this beautiful waterfall quartz counter, I believe. Here is the first of the 3 bedrooms. Off to my right is the first. And you've got a sliding barn door here. Sizable closet. This is the first of both bathrooms. This is a 2nd bedroom, guest bedroom. And here's another closet. And finally, we have our primary suite with this incredible Incredible bathroom. Lots of natural light easily flows through this home. That's a wrap on 123 Venetian Way here in Sugarloaf Shores. Thanks for taking the time to go on this tour with me, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. If you have any questions or wish to see the property, please reach out to me. I am the listing agent on this one. Either way, I'd be happy to help you with this or any other one. Again, I am Angie Will with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Knight and Gardner Realty, and I'll see you on the next one.